Toyota BEV concept shows off clean vital design approach coupled with eco-conscious interior materials. Ultra-modern design enhanced with in-car personal agent. Concept represents Toyota's commitment towards a future that goes beyond zero. The Toyota BZ compact SUV concept touched down in Los Angeles, making its world premiere to kick off the exciting opening of the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show at the LA Convention Center. Already a leader in electrification, the company gave a glimpse of what the future could be with the Toyota BZ compact SUV, extending the vision under the Toyota BZ brand umbrella. "We've only just begun to scratch the surface of the Beyond Zero moniker," said Toyota Group Vice President and General Manager David Christ. With an aerodynamic design coupled with intuitive tech features never before seen in a Toyota model, the BZ concept showcases another possible vision of the very near future with our battery electric vehicles. The Toyota BZ compact SUV concept is designed as a full battery electric vehicle, using a clean vital design approach. This approach aims to express what's special about battery electric vehicles while also offering fun to drive, exhilarating performance. It represents a vehicle with zero emissions, utilizing eco-conscious interior materials, that also brings dynamic performance, leading technology, and a stylish appearance. The aerodynamic form of the concept enhances its futuristic look by pushing the wheels to the corners to achieve an aggressive stance, making it appear as if it's moving even when standing still. The short overhangs and sweepback angles make it stand out as an advanced technology vehicle. A narrowed-down cabin design gives it an agile appearance for a low coefficient of drag. The edgy styling extends to the interior with premium finishes, resulting in a distinctive look. Notably, the design team included several eco-friendly touches, like seating made from plant-based and recycled materials to follow the Beyond Zero theme. And an in-car personal agent named Yui connects the driver and passengers with the vehicle. With the use of audio and visual lighting cues that move around the cabin, it responds to requests or commands from front or rear passengers. The Beyond Zero message encourages diligently adapting how we live our lives in the present to ensure a better future for all. Toyota envisions a future in which carbon neutrality is achieved through the practical marketization of a portfolio of products with advanced, alternative fuel and zero-emission powertrain technologies. Globally, Toyota plans to expand to around 30 dedicated BEVs, including 5 carrying the BZ, Beyond Zero, brand moniker. This diverse portfolio of electrified products will help propel Toyota toward its goal of carbon neutrality by 2050. Thanks for watching this video. Please take a moment and give us a like or leave a comment and subscribe to our channel.